Show that tan to the power of 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant to the power of 4 theta minus secant square theta. LHS is equal to tan to the power of 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to take common tan square theta into tan square theta plus 1 is equal to tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to here tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta is equal to tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta is equal to secant square theta into secant square theta, secant to the power of 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta, secant square theta is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.